Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro, and let me share with you how to change a date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So let's turn off both of those switchers, and now we can simply tap on date and just by swiping change it. The same situation with the time, just by swiping set the date you want to set the time you want to we want to use. The time zone, just tap on it and choose the proper time zone for your place. And the dual clock, it's up to you if you want to use two different clocks. And the time format, you can change it from 24-hour to 12-hour format, and the way another. So this is the customization. Of course, you can go back to automatic options just by tapping on those two switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.